Hi, my name is Stormy with Rosie in Phoenix, and I had a friend ask a question about this Bible study app. It is called YouVersion, and it's just a Bible study app, but it has so many great tools. You can find it in your app store. It is free, and it is so useful. I highly recommend it. So I'm opening up here on the homepage, and the first thing you see is the verse of the day. And it gives you some options on images you can share. Moving down a little bit, it shows you my plans. Now, these are the Bible study plans you want to be looking at. And it shows you the my plans and then featured plans. So it gives you some options. Then it has a prayer module for guided prayer. We'll look at that more later. It also has some options for teaching your kids, which is great. So I'm flipping over here to the Bible study tab. Here on the top, you can look up Bible verses by book and by chapter. I'm going to select Exodus 14 and then scroll down to my favorite verse, which is Exodus 14:14. The Lord himself will fight for you. Just stay calm. And through this, I can do several things. I'm going to click on the verse. I can share an image that's already been made just by clicking on that little share button. And when I do that, it pops up this screen and I can save it to my camera roll. Or I can send it directly to a friend, or I can send it to myself, or I can select an image and I can play with this image a little bit myself. Now, when I hit save, it saves to YouVersion, not my camera roll. So then I have to hit share and save it to my camera roll. There are lots of other things that YouVersion can do for you.
Chapter
like
14.
Here, he's going to read to me.
Then the Lord gave these instructions to Moses.
But wait, what if
Order
I
the
want to
Israelites
change versions and let him read to me in a different version?
Exodus chapter 14. Then the Lord spoke to Moses.
Honestly, a lot of times I
"Tell the
use this at
Israelites."
night. If I can't sleep, I let him read to me. Okay, so going back to this verse, I can go in, I can compare the verse. I can take notes on the verse. I can use the verse to start a prayer. I can type out my prayer notes and it saves it to my prayer journal. We'll look more at that later. That goes through the prayer module, and it's a really great way to keep a virtual prayer journal. I can make bookmarks that I can share with myself or other people. And I can look at related things I have looked at or related things that community members have, made comments about. Check back in the next video to see more.